Everybody loves to hear how they've performed a job well, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer a 5-star customer experience, and it usually results in our customer sharing their experience with the world. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. We think this feedback proves that. So if you're looking for a company that has the best customer service backed by years of extensive knowledge and experience, then we're the right fit for you. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.